Winning doesn't just sound like. It can be saying yes to that extra guacamole, or the sigh of relief when you make your final car payment. It can be the sound of your partner snoring beside you on an airplane, or the cheer of the crowd at your favorite 90s band reunion tour. It could be the doorbell ringing with your takeaway, or your mom calling to say, "Congratulations, love, you deserve it." And sometimes winning sounds like me. I am Lottery Now, the new voice assistant from the National Lottery. Find me on your Google or Amazon devices.